Hello guys, welcome to KN Tech channel. In this video, we will learn how to create Hello World app in your mobile. Let let's go. Just you will learn in previous video how to create basic app. Let's see here. Another time, just go to the view how to create app and go to the view and command plate. Just click on it and type here Flutter. Here Flutter new project, click on Flutter new project. Here take the you want to give the project name, whatever else. I am giving Krishna underscore app. Don't give capital letters. Krishna underscore app, or else anything you want to give project name. That's it. Just connect. Just save whatever else, wherever. Click one, create one folder. I am created first and I am selecting that folder to create my project in that folder. Here project is creating. It will take 20 seconds or 30 seconds. Just wait. Here your project is ready. Whenever you are creating your project, turn on your Wi-Fi or mobile data. Don't forget. Here it is the basic app. Just select Ctrl A. It will select all code and delete it. Delete all code from main dot. You are writing dot language, so you want to like this save main dot. Whenever you are starting app, first it will come from main page and it will go to the other pages. Whatever code we are writing in this folder only, we can write lib folder. Just go to the lib folder and main dot. Let's go now code. First we want to import. Just importing the package that supports the your code guidelines like that. Just import what you want to import. Package. It will suggest, see, you are whenever you are writing, it will suggesting the your extensions, like it will show suggestions. Package, you are importing the package. And what is that package? Flutter package. Flutter. From Flutter we are writing, from Flutter we are taking the material dot. By using this import file, like material dot, just taking this and writing by the through guidelines material dot. From this we are writing the code. Next we want to give the void main. Void main means let whatever code we are writing, it will starts from here. Just give arrow is equal to or forward or greater than. Just give this, and instead of you are putting flower brackets, we are using like this. We can write from here straight. We can reduce codes. Let's see what you want to run. You want to run the app now. Just type run app, capital A. Don't forget. Here just give the class name and anything class name. Just put semicolon. Come down and you want to now create the class here down. Just create. Just type st. I will tell the shortcut. There are two types of widgets: stateless widgets and stateful widget. just type st, it will come stateful widget and stateless widget. It will show suggestions. Just click on the stateless widgets. Now no need to animations and like that. Just now we are writing for hello world, just one test only. So we want to taking the stateless app, stateless widget, not app, sorry. Here you want to give the first, means you are creating class. Here we create the class. Here see errors will gone. We are creating a class, that from that class we are extending the stateful widget. From this stateful widget we are overriding the build contest. We are building the contest that return the container, or else we are writing material app, material app. See here material app is came, just click on that. Here home, you want to give home. In your app we giving the home scaffold. Here scaffold is the one of the widget. It gives the white page in your app, white page in your app. It is the scaffold. We are giving home white page. Scaffold is the white page. From that scaffold we are creating the body. For body in your app, we are creating body. In body we are, what we want to write, test. Hello world is the test. We are giving the test. Whenever it will don't suggest any, just click control space button, it will show suggestions. Okay, just go here, whatever you want to print, just type here hello world, like that. Just give hello world and put at last comma. That's it. You are created now hello world app. Here go to the terminal and click here new terminal. Here two problems will have. One, it is just click on that. Here is the test folder. In this test folder some usages will be there in front. Just here one class name, we want to change class name here. Just what you given here class name, first is the class name. So here also you want to give the first, just change here first. That's it. Go to the main dot. Now we can run the your app, debug in your app. Just connect your mobile and turn on your developer options. I already told in previous video, and also I am giving the link in description. Just connect your mobile and turn on your developer options and go here, run start debugging, or else you go here terminal and type here flutter run, anything. Just go here, I am going here, start debugging, just click it. It will debug, it will going on. Just go to the debug console, it will show here. Just here completed your app APK in your mobile. Just see in your mobile. Here is the hard reload, just click on that. You can reload your lines of code and compile and execute in your mobile, or else you can also create emulator also. I can create one video in that on how to create emulator. Just now go in your mobile. See here it is the output. See white page is came. Here test hello world is came. Here it is the hello world. Here is there. We didn't find. Let's see. Let's move to the Let's move to the at the center. How to move center? Just click on that. Just click. We want to move the text, so we want to click on the text. Here is the bulb. Just click on the bulb and wrap with center. Just click wrap with center. It is created center, and from that center it is created one child, like inheritance. See what happens to the output. See, output is came. Here is the hello world at the middle of the in your app. See, that's it. You are created now hello world app in Flutter. See, it's very easy. Let's create more apps in future. Follow me and subscribe our channel. Thank you. If you like this video, share this video. Thank you.